In metal and sheet fabrication, clip binding is a crucial process that involves joining or fastening components temporarily or permanently for assembly or welding. To ensure precision and durability, several essential tools are used. First and foremost are locking pliers or C-clamps, which hold metal parts securely in place during binding. These tools are vital for preventing misalignment during welding or bolting operations. Toggle clamps are another key instrument, quick-action devices that provide strong holding force and allow for faster repositioning in production environments. Spring clips or Cleco fasteners are frequently used in aviation and light metal fabrication to temporarily bind sheet metals before final riveting or welding. For mass production units, automatic clip applicators can significantly improve speed and reduce labor costs. Additionally, measuring tools like calipers and edge finders are vital to ensure parts are aligned precisely before applying the clips. The use of deburring tools before binding also ensures that sharp edges do not interfere with clip alignment. In advanced fabrication, laser guides and jigs help operators position clips at consistent intervals with high accuracy. Without these vital tools, clip binding can result in unstable assemblies, leading to failure during product use. Regular maintenance and tool calibration are also essential for consistency. Whether in automotive, HVAC, or structural fabrication, mastering clip binding and understanding the tools behind it is critical for safe and efficient manufacturing.